I love you so much.
I love you too.
Thank you. You look like a star yourself.
So I've become boring to you? Ethan, I still can't believe we're here. A private yacht, the blue ocean, and you by my side. Is the most perfect anniversary I've ever dreamed of.
You deserve all of this, my love. 4 years together, and I thank God every single day that you're in my life. I love you so much.
I love you too. Let's make this trip the beginning of our forever.
Forever with you.
Hi there. I'm Sophia, the influencer. I have over 2.5 million followers.
I saw your pictures on Instagram. You two look so cute together.
Really? I've been following you for a long time. Your content is amazing.
Oh, thank you. That means so much.
I'm so glad I got to meet you. Especially the luxury, travel, and success videos.
Thank you. You look like a star yourself. If you have big dreams, I can help you reach a completely different level.
Ethan, let's go for a walk, just the two of us.
Later, Emily, I'm talking to Sophia about important things.
Ethan, we came on this trip to be together. Ever since Sophia arrived, you've been so distant from me.
Emily, you're always like this. Everything with you is routine and boring. Sophia understands me. She knows my dreams of fame and money. I'm tired of this simple life.
So I've become boring to you after everything I've done for you?
Yes! Sometimes I feel like you're holding me back from success.
What? How can you say that?
Because it's true. You always doubt me.
I just worry about you. Ethan, please. I love you. Don't do this to us.
It's over, Emily. I've made my choice. Sophia's the one who belongs with me. She slipped! I didn't do anything! Nobody come near!
Ethan, you killed me.
Do not be afraid, pure-hearted one. I am here.
Who are you? Am I dead?
No, you are alive. Your husband betrayed you. His heart has turned black with greed.
Why? I did everything to make him happy.
Some men sell true love for fake glory. I give you this glowing shell. Sprinkle its powder into their drinks, and their true ugly hearts will be revealed to everyone.
I want justice, not revenge.
Sometimes justice is painful. Take it and return.
Ethan, I'm going to introduce you to all the big influencers. You're going to be so famous.
Really? That's incredible!
To the good life!
Finally! This is the life I deserve!
What's happening to my face? My skin is changing. I look horrible.
Me too! My body, my face, everyone can see the real me! Oh my god, they're monsters! Or this! This video is going viral right now! Whoa, get away! Monsters. Emily, please! I'm so sorry! I was stupid! I love you! Don't leave me!
When you pushed me into the ocean, your heart was already black. Now the whole world has seen the truth.
Forgive me! I'll change. I'll go back to how I was. Emily, please don't leave me!
You didn't lose me, Ethan. You lost yourself. I'm stronger now, and I'm starting a new life without you.
Should Emily forgive Ethan or move on forever? Write in the comments, forgive or move on. Subscribe to Emily and Ethan's stories for more emotional stories. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.